A new study reveals that LGBTQ plus people have highest COVID-19 vaccination rates.
Yay.
Last week, survey data published in the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention's Morbidity and Mortality weekly report have shown that 85% of gay and lesbian adults have received at least one dose of their COVID-19 vaccination, compared with 76% of heterosexual adults and 76% of bisexual adults. The results were taken from a survey conducted between August 29th, 2021 and October 30th, 2021, which involved upwards of 150,000 respondents. When it came to the data on race and ethnicity, white, gay, and lesbian adults had the highest vaccination rates at 94% for white men and 88.5% for white women. Vaccination rates were lowest amongst all Black LGBTQ plus people. And I have to say, the legacy and the history of distrust in clinical trials and in vaccinations still looms and hangs over us for Black and brown people. And so if that history didn't exist, I promise that these numbers would be different.
I'm super excited at the 94% vaccination rate number.
Yeah.
The one thing that's disappointing is it comes in one specific set of LGBT. Our numbers are high across the board, but 94%. It's why you can get out there, you can feel safe, and you can start to relive your life again.
Let's be honest, we're just selfish and we just want to slap uglies, okay, without worrying about stuff. So, hey, whatever, we're smart, okay.
What does slap uglies mean?
You know what slap uglies is.
But those numbers are 3 months old. I'll tell you the newest number today, 64%. That's the amount of the American population at large that has gotten vaccinated. Those are terrible numbers. But fortunately, the gays are leading the way because we know pandemics. Many of us go to doctors because we are HIV positive and have to see a doctor regularly, or we're on PrEP, and so we have to make sure our livers are functioning properly. So we're used to seeing doctors, and we lead the way.
Do you know why those numbers are so poor? Only 4 people in South Dakota have been vaccinated.
Well, again, like John said, because we have already lived through a horrifying epidemic, and we're just smarter, that's all.
LGBTQ plus news is vital for our community and for the broader world as a whole. We have enough enemies at Fox News. Tucker, Sean, and Laura are loud. We need passionate allies. Happening Out Television Network, Queer News Tonight, and It's Happening Out are literally out of the closet and into the headlines. Our community needs your support. Like this broadcast and subscribe now to ensure the growth of the entire LGBTQ+